Hey, we'll give you a little tour of the house. That's Tina.
Hello.
This is the office. This is, yeah, that's, oh, you like this. That's the AR, coyote control. The 22 mag. Drones, of course. Workbench. That's where I work from home. That's my TV in my office plus computer for photography and whatever. Yep, that's the office. In the kitchen, Tina's pissed because it's a mess. We're having some pork loin tonight. That's the convection oven. It's got like 1,000,000,000 miles on it. That was my Christmas present. The dining room. All the grandkids. And then them two yahoos right there. See that? Yep. And Tina's running away. We have a nest. Coolest thing in the world. Living room. The guitars and the rig. Skinner. There's Tina again.
Quit.
Alright. Medicine cabinet. Go out the door. The mud room. Yep. 22 long rifle, because you know we get skunks and possum and just like all kinds of critters. The basement. Oh, there's Tina again. We got all these little cubby holes everywhere. Water treatment. That's got bleach in it. That's the pressure tank, water softener, water heater, yeah. Sump pump, that's been running pretty much for 2 years straight. Got a leak in the hose. Tools, yep, it's just a basement. New furnace and air conditioning. I'm very happy to have that. Works awesome, very efficient. Washer dryer, yep. Our basement. Pretty much dry. We've had the issues. Now for the cool part. Oh, we have a pride of lions. This is Shithead. Say hello, Shithead. And that's Mama. And that's Psycho. And this is Baby. This one just showed up. Just moved in. That's 4 of 7. The house. It's a pretty wide angle camera, so you can probably see all of it. That's the output side of the sump pump. Got to run it out like that through the winter so it doesn't freeze up. It's getting nasty because it's getting warm. This little flower garden will look a lot better in a month. It's just coming out of hibernation. Cistern. That's the system to switch the cistern, either fill the tank or drain out. Yada yada. Storm shelter. Yeah, I don't even want to open that door. It's pretty much a swimming pool right now. It's full of water and salamanders, etc. The house. We got new septic system put in last fall, so it's still kind of messy. That's the old one, and there's the new one, and then they put the drain fields in out there. These big cottonwoods. Yeah. It's just like where the raccoons. Yeah, I get a lot of shots with the 22 mag with the raccoons out of them trees. Propane. We had a bunch of cedar trees out there, but the storms last winter just kicked the shit out of them, so they had to cut them down. So we have a few left. You can maybe see the stump way out there. That was a apricot tree that we lost, so we were sick about that. We were gonna make brandy. So it goes. Wood pile, 2 cedar tree stumps. I don't know what we'll do with those. We'll do something. The shanty, that's just the garden shed, lawnmower, etc. And there's Tina again. Another sisterin. The camper, vehicles. Oh, look, we have an outhouse. So shit gets real bad, we do have an outhouse. There's looking down the driveway. 3 big cottonwoods. New air conditioner. We love the new air conditioner. Yeah, the outhouse, that's so yeah, I didn't show you the 9mm, but that's pretty much staying in practice for the zombie apocalypse. So our property actually ends at that fence, but we've got permission to be on all that land out there if we want. This is Pretty Boy. Say hello, Pretty Boy. And that's Crybaby. Say hello, Crybaby. Got some extra rock. That's going to be helping me with my rifle range. Oh, we have a chicken coop. Nothing going on in here yet. We're going to turn it into a doghouse one day. We just need a dog. We need a dog that the cats can get along with. That's the granary. It's on its last leg. This is the cat's house. They have their own house. See? You guys gonna go in? Probably won't get a very good picture in here, but yeah, that's where the cats live. Alright, enough of that. Got this big old beautiful barn. It's full of straw and critters. Keeps us stocked up in raccoons for target practice. That's an old hog house. Yeah, that's just a mess in there. Another place for coons to hide. Got that old barn out there. Another place for coons. So we have plenty of raccoons. This is that's all pasture out there. So the neighbor waters his cattle up here. We pay for the water. He keeps the snow moved. The cats follow me everywhere. And then the barn. It looks cool from the outside, but yeah, it's they'll just peek in the door. You probably won't get a very good video from here, but it's nice to have, but maybe we'll figure out a use for it one day. Could use. I was kind of thought about just framing up a little room in here for a little shop, a little wood shop or something. I don't know. Maybe someday. That's kind of it. You can see the camper, the shanty. We'll go inside the shanty. They just follow me everywhere. I'm God to them. Yeah, the wind took that door out, so I got to get that door down before it's an issue. That whole building will be gone one day. Just another place for coons and skunks to hide. We're back to the shanty. That's the camper. Needs a little work, but we get a lot of miles out of that. Yeah, I don't know how much you can see in here in the dark, but just a typical shed. Little smell of skunk in here yet. The skunks, let me show you. Oh, I gotta close this door before the cats go in there. Skunks like to go down in these little holes. That's where they spend their winters. So I'm gonna seal those up this summer. But gotten used to shooting skunks. It's not as bad to get rid of them as people think. We got grapes growing. They're just 1 year old, so hopefully they'll get to the top of these poles this summer. That's where the garden goes. There's asparagus all over out here. So, too bad. We're gonna eat it all. There's Tina. That's kind of the place. Thought I'd give you a tour. Say hi, crybaby. 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 Come here, buddy. Say hello. Say hello. Alright. Be safe. Keep your hands washed. Don't touch your face.